All right, so here's a quick video of my 2014 stock Caprice. Stock other than the Camaro wheels and the paddle shifter modification that I just did. Picked it up for, I forget how much it was, but here's the interior. In good shape overall. Was a sheriff's car from Sonoma County, probably pronouncing that wrong. In Washington, really good shape overall. Really happy with it. Getting ready to do some modifications to it. Spent a lot of time talking to people on what modifications to do, a lot of reading, and what I've come down to is the next thing I'm gonna do. So now we're looking at what modifications I want to do to the engine, and the first thing I'm gonna do is the DOD delete with the Texas Speed Stage 1 cam. Talked to a bunch of different people about what to do, and this is what I've come to the conclusion to right now. So phase one will involve that cam, the ZL1 torque converter. Gosh, I've got a whole list of things. Intake exhaust. I've already done the paddle shifters. I'll have that in another video. And that's about it to begin with. I'm gonna see if that's enough power for me. If it's not, I'm gonna end up going with the Torque Storm supercharger most likely. Only thing on that is I don't like how loud it is, but first I'll see how it feels with all that. It's pretty powerful as it is. I don't even know if I'll need to go past that, but that's what I'm starting with now, and I'll add some videos in the future.